The first month of 2022 well underway, and many people have a lot of New Year's resolutions. One of those may be to get your finances in check. And while tax day is still a few months away, there are some things you should start thinking about now. Wake Up Charlotte's Megan Bragg verifies what you need to know when filing your taxes this year.
2021 was a lot like 2020 when it came to the government's help. We saw stimulus checks, child tax credits, and boosted unemployment benefits. So we are verifying what could affect your tax returns this year. Our sources for these answers are CEO of Alloy Wealth, Mark Henry, and the IRS. The first question, if you received an advance child tax credit, could that affect your tax returns?
They qualified based off of 2020, but if they made more money in 21 when they actually file their taxes, they may get a surprise. They may actually owe money back to the IRS because they received that tax credit but got a raise.
According to the IRS, in 2021, the American Rescue Plan increased the child tax credit for families who qualified. However, Henry says if you received more money in 2021 than the IRS was estimating you would make, then you might have to pay some of it back. Next, if you worked from home, can you claim that as a home office? According to the IRS, unless you are self-employed, you cannot write off home office expenses as deductions.
Unless you're self-employed, you cannot do that.
And finally, will the new tax brackets released by the IRS affect your taxes? According to the IRS, income tax brackets and the standard deduction have been adjusted to reflect inflation.
The actual tax brackets themselves, this is a good thing, they went up a little bit. So they went up anywhere from 1% to 3%. So depending upon your deductions, how much you end up taking out of your check, some people, let's say you didn't get a raise and you're going to make the same income as you made last year, you may not have to take out quite as much during the year.
According to the IRS, this went into effect for 2022, so you won't see this on your tax returns this year. You'll see it affect the taxes you file in 2023. If you have a Verify question you want answered, reach out to us at verify@wcnc.com or through my social media. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.